Yan na yung rowa ko.
Johnny, ano ka ngayon? Grade 6?
Grade 5 po.
5. O sige, pakitaan mo na kami ng galing mo. Go, Johnny.
Agad-agad, lyrics to cover, cover, digging nothing on you, baby. Nothing but a rock. Pilipinas Got Talent, hit it!
Pag nagpo-perform ka, parang enjoy na enjoy siya, di ba,
Thank you
friendship?
po. Correct.
Meron kang showmanship.
Thank you po. Marami kang masyadong pinakitang talent at may audience impact ka. Suggestion lang, next time, kung ako sa'yo, kasi maraming nagko-compete ng beatbox, isa ka pa lang na nakita kong bata. Salamat po. No, I think dapat doon ka mag-concentrate na beatboxing mo.
You remind me of what Billy was when he was your age. Laman nga dito, Billy.
Oh, ayun o.
Alam mo, Hoy! Tama na! Tapos na eh! Les, alam mo, kakaiba kasi, bihira tayo makakita ng bata, full of confidence, full of passion with what he wants to do. Kasi, minsan kasi mga bata na nagpo-perform, especially dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent, parang takot sila, they're scared, they're forced by parents. Ito kanina, bibong-bibo talaga itong bata to. Okay ka, bro. Galing.
Kung gusto mong mag-compete, kailangan mo siguro mamili kung anong ipapakita mo. Hindi pwedeng lahat. For now, because of your confidence, I'll say yes.
You have my yes.
Yes din ako. Thank you po! Thank you!